Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss on LibreOffice Impress, and today's topic is that to build an animation using LibreOffice Impress. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice Impress application, I will show you how to build an animation using LibreOffice Impress. So let's dive in. So friends, I'm just within the LibreOffice Impress, and here I will build an animation, right? So at first we close this window and choose a particular slide types. Okay, from this property we choose this blank slide. Okay, and suppose we put here some background color. So just right click on that and go to slide properties, and there is a color option is given. Suppose we choose some color, okay, and press OK. So this color will be shown as a background of the slide is concerned. Okay, suppose now we put some image here as a background. Okay, means some portion have this color and some portion should be occupied or filled by the background image, right? So just go to insert and choose image, and in my desktop there is the image is that moon eclipse. Actually today's animation is concerned about a moon eclipse. So I will show you using animation how to do this particular feature, which is a natural phenomenon actually, which is moon eclipse. So today's animation is a moon eclipse, right? So we choose this particular wallpaper and we just extend this wallpaper somehow. Okay, and now we choose a particular shape, and this shape is actually concerned about to do this animation, means to do the moon eclipse. Okay, so we choose from there, we choose here some ellipse object or the shape. So we just put here this particular object, somehow put in that position, right? Or you just increase the size, suppose like that. Okay, and now we just go into this fill part, and the color is given. Now we put the color of this particular object with black, and the line whatever given, this line should be, in that case we choose none. Okay, now then we go the part of animation, this section, and we already choose this object. Now we just click on this add. Okay, and now from the category we choose the motion paths. And the motion path is that the object should be moved from right to left across the moon, which is present within this image, right? And from there the effect we choose just the left, means the particular movement of the object from right to left. Okay, and now there is a start is on click. Now we choose here with previous, and duration suppose we put here 20 seconds, right? And after we just extend this particular arrow at most the left part of the slide. Okay, and then again choose this object for the animation is concerned, then right click into there, go to effect option, and from their timing their repeat is given none, just put or select until end of the slide and then press OK. Okay, and we already know for LibreOffice Impress is concerned, the file extension is ODP, Open Document Presentation. Okay, so we don't save the file, we just run the slideshow. So in that case we press F5 from the keyboard and just see the eclipse is going on. This is the moon eclipse, means moon is hiding by some object in night sky, and again the moon is open after the moon eclipse is over, right? So in that way we can do our animation using LibreOffice Impress. In different animation we can do. I have already done some of my videos with lots of animations. So today's animation is on moon eclipse. I hope you have understood today's video. If you have some doubts or any queries for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcoin for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.
Thank you.